Hello guys. So this session is about which documents you should keep ready for J 2025 so that you can fill your application form and have a smooth journey and admission process. This is for J 2025 aspirants who are the target audience of this video. आप 12th से हो सकते हो या फिर ड्रॉपर हो सकते हो. Let's get started. About me, I'm Shreyas. I'm doing my BTech from IIT Bombay currently. These are my credentials. Now let us begin. So yes, there are two types of students. Firstly, the class 12 students और दूसरे droppers. दोनों के लिए I will cover which documents you should keep ready for JEE 2025. Let's get started. सबसे पहला is photograph. You should have your photograph ready with you. आपने 10 copies of your passport size photograph अपने पास रखने हैं. And while uploading your application form at the NTA side, on the NTA side, आपको क्या करना है, आपको स्कैन कॉपी ऑफ योर फोटोग्राफ रखनी है. एंड द स्कैन कॉपी शुड नॉट एक्सीड बिटवीन 10 KB to 200 KB. तो इसके लिए आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं कंप्रेसर्स आते हैं, ऑनलाइन कंप्रेसर जो फाइल कंप्रेस करते हैं. एंड यू कैन डू इट. और JPEG फॉर्मेट का खास आप ख्याल रखिएगा, राइट. एंड ऑल्सो वन मोर इंस्ट्रक्शन इज गिवन दैट the photo should be in color or black and white, but it should have 80% of your face visible. And one more thing, आप जो application form में फ़ोटो भरते हैं, that photo should only be with you during your admission process. वही फ़ोटो आपको लेके जाना है on exam center. वही फ़ोटो आपके hall ticket पे भी print होगा, and the same photo will be used for your admission process, right? तो आपको इस बात का भी ख्याल रखना है. तो ये दो तीन चीज़ों के बाद लेट्स मूव ऑन. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द फॉर्मेट लुक्स लाइक. यहाँ पे आपको फाइल चूज़ करनी रहती है इन JPEG डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेट, एंड द साइज रिस्ट्रिक्शंस एंड द रेंज इज़ गिवन टू यू. यू कैन अपलोड इट लाइकवाइज. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम द ऑफिशियल NTA वेबसाइट. दिस आर द रूल्स दैट यू शुड कीप इन माइंड. I will be adding the link to the PDF below. आप देख लीजिएगा उसको एक बार. The rules, everything is written there. Then we have signature. Secondly, आपको signature चाहिए. The signature should be scanned signature. You should not do the signature on ruled paper. आप unruled paper लीजिए, sign it, है ना. signature कीजिए, click a photo of it, and make sure that the photo is in JPEG format and it is between 4 KB to 30 KBs, right? And this will help you upload it on your NTA website. Use compressor use कर सकते हैं आप इस केस में भी, okay? And it should look like this as given in the visualization I have shown you. Third is class 10 mark sheet. This is the class 10 mark sheet, and you should have your डेट ऑफ बर्थ रिटन प्रॉपरली ऑन इट. आपकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ यहाँ से ही वेरीफाई होगी आपके आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ से, और इसकी आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ की डेट ऑफ बर्थ एंड दिस डेट ऑफ बर्थ विल बी मैप्ड. वो चेक करेंगे NTA, राइट. उसका आप ख्याल रखिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ क्लास 12th मार्कशीट. येस, आफ्टर क्लास 10th यू शुड हैव क्लास 12th मार्कशीट टू. येस, एंड वन मोर थिंग, यू शुड हैव द सर्टिफिकेट with you also. The passing certificate from class 10th and class 12th, the board certificate that you get from your respective boards in which you have done your 10th and 12th, okay? वो भी आपके पास होना चाहिए. Then identity proof. This is from the NTA website. Identity proof can be Aadhaar card, your PAN card, driving license, voter ID, passport, and anything, right? As mentioned here, it can be Aadhaar also. So DigiLocker भी आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं उसके लिए. Okay. Then comes caste certificate or category certificate. So the category certificate should be after 1 April 2024, right? So जो आपको issue date होगी उसकी, that should be after 1 April 2024, क्योंकि उसके बाद ही वो आपके लिए वैलिड होगा. उसके पहले वाला कैटेगरी सर्टिफिकेट वुड नॉट बी वैलिड, राइट. and you know that the validity is of 1 year. 1 साल की वैलिडिटी रहती है इसके लिए. 1 April 2024 के बाद वाला you should use the caste certificate or category certificate, whatever. No? So plan accordingly. Then we have PWD certificate. There are certain criteria required. You can read all these criteria, and you should have, if you are a PWD candidate, आपके पास ये PWD certificate should be ready. It should be signed from a government doctor having his or her number, registration number, that is given by the Indian Medical Association to him or her, and you should have it, right? And these are the criteria for being applicable for PWD certificate, and you should have it if you are eligible. And this is also some points. They are all taken from NTA website. You should go through them also one by one. Then now these were all the things for droppers as well as class 12. Now this point is only valid for whom? For droppers, right? The gap affidavit or gap certificate should be there with you if you are a dropper. Why? Because ये आपको एक certification देता है that you have taken a drop for what? For study purposes, for academic purposes. You haven't taken the drop for any other illegal activities and something. Okay, so it is what? It is a self-declared certificate made on non-judicial stamp paper. You should have it. Okay, and yes, this is all. These are all the documents that you should have. These are 7-8 documents that you should have for a smooth admission process. Okay, and that was it for our video. Thank you. Please share the video as much as possible, and this is me, and this is Doubts Hunt, our platform. Yes, do contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.